The SCRAM system started as a continuous fiber 3D printer. Over time, that has developed into this hybrid manufacturing platform. So it's a combination of an in-situ consolidated thermoplastic AFP head, some FFF, so fused filament fabrication. We couple that with a fused granule fabrication pellet extruder. With these technologies, we can produce a flat plate to a finished part, all within the one cell, all in one place. This could not be done without Siemens. Siemens really enhances us to get the accuracies we need, as well as the process control that we need. So not only do we run the entire robot off of a Siemens CNC and PLC, but we run the entire head. So everything is run through the one system. The first thing we do is print the tool with the pellet extruder, which is its own extruder, prints the main bulk of the tool. And then what we do is switch heads. We drop that head off, pick up a spindle, machine that tool, get a really nice surface finish, drop that head off, pick up our main deposition head, which does the entire laminate, any core, any infill on top of that. And then we actually switch back to the machining head, do final machining, so trimming, if you want to drill holes, windows, you name it, and then you have a fully completed part. All we have to do is take that off of the build plate, move it over to a wash tank, dissolve away the material.